De La Rosa will attempt to go out the country. Aarestuhin siya. Anong masasabi niyo doon?
Yeah, but this is based on what law? I respectfully ask them, based on what law? Is there a whole departure order? Because that has been settled in many cases, in the Arroyo cases, kung sino lang ang pwede mag-issue ng whole departure order. Diba? I think that was Arroyo versus De Leon. So, you cannot impair the right to travel without a whole departure order issued by the proper court. Nakikita niyo po yung common na tema. Ayaw po idaan ng ibang tao, hindi po ng buong administrasyon, but ng ibang tao sa administrasyon, ayaw nilang idaan sa korte. Bakit? This is not in accordance with the respect expected from interdependent branches. Ang executive dapat po respetuhin ng judiciary at ang legislatura. Bakit nila gustong short circuit yung korte? Dahil mas mabilis. Because it is expedient. Tama po. Yan ang hinahanap nila, yung bilis. Wag po tayong madadapa sa bilis na yun.